Making money with artificial intelligence doesn't require learning Python or launching a complex tech startup. You can bypass the traditional technical barriers by focusing on existing tools that are ready for immediate use. By the end of the next 6 minutes, you will have a plan to launch a lean, fully operational AI freelance business from scratch. We are going to execute 3 specific steps. First, we will set up 2 high-leverage service offerings. Then, we will deploy a visual client acquisition strategy to convert those services into revenue. You will operate as an AI translator. Your job is to select off-the-shelf tools to automate repetitive tasks and solve specific expensive problems for busy business owners. Step 1 is setting up a content repurposing service. Many successful creators know they should be posting daily across all platforms, but they are tired, they are busy, and they would much rather outsource the editing process. This diagram illustrates the core service, taking a single horizontal YouTube video and splitting it into 5 distinct vertical clips, turning one piece of content into an entire week's worth of posts for TikTok or Reels. Look at this Descript interface. This software turns video editing into text editing. You simply read the transcript, highlight the dead air or boring sections, hit delete, and the video cuts itself automatically. Once you have your clean cuts, you bring them into Canva Video. This interface shows how a single click removes the background, instantly isolating the speaker. From there, the tool auto-generates dynamic captions right on top of the vertical frame. With these tools, your benchmark is efficiency. You should be able to extract 3 fully captioned 60-second clips from a standard 10-minute video in under 15 minutes of active work. This article confirms the viability of this model. Notice the recommendation at the bottom. Instead of billing by the hour, you charge clients using weekly packages or monthly retainers. Packaging this exact workflow into a monthly retainer means you stop chasing exhausting one-off gigs and start building reliable, compounding income. Step 2 is establishing your premium upsell. Coaches and educators want to help their students at scale, but they cannot be online answering questions 24 hours a day. You solve this by building them an AI assistant that has exactly one job: answering their audience's questions on demand. This resource details the exact use cases for an AI coach clone. It explicitly states you can add it to an existing course, sell it as a membership, or offer it as a premium upsell. To build this, you open the ChatGPT Custom GPT Builder. In the instructions box shown here, you type a strict behavioral prompt dictating exactly how the assistant should speak and interact as that specific coach. Next is the most critical step. You upload the client's actual PDFs, frameworks, and video transcripts into the knowledge section. This ensures the AI only pulls from their proprietary methods. The quality benchmark here is precision. The clone must accurately answer niche questions based solely on the uploaded files, without defaulting to the generic tone of a standard language model. Because this digital asset protects the client's time while scaling their personal expertise, it justifies a high-ticket premium membership upsell for your agency. Step 3 is client acquisition. Avoid sending generic cold emails, as they rely on you explaining your value rather than demonstrating it. Instead, we use the audit-to-deal process. Looking at this action plan, notice that the first week is entirely focused on validation and identifying the right targets before you ever send a pitch. Start by picking a highly profitable niche, like personal development, finance, or automotive, and build a targeted lead list of creators from YouTube or LinkedIn. Go to a prospect's channel, download one of their recent long-form videos, and independently create a polished, repurposed short for them, entirely for free. Then you record a quick screen share using Loom. On screen, you place their original, unedited video right next to the dynamic AI caption short you just made, proving the upgrade visually. Your pitch script is direct. Point out they are missing out on short-form traffic, play the free sample, and offer a monthly package of 10 videos just like it. Providing a finished sample upfront removes the skepticism of a typical cold pitch. When a prospect sees their own content already improved, the decision to hire you becomes a logical step rather than a risk. You now possess a complete agency framework, a scalable core service, a high-ticket coaching upsell, and an outreach engine built on visual proof. Businesses pay for the hours they save and the reach they gain. Focus your communication on these specific business results rather than the underlying technology you're using to achieve them. Here is your immediate homework. Find 3 creators in your chosen niche, process one of their videos through the Descript and Canva workflow, and send out one Loom audit pitch today. Execution and adaptation are the only variables left. Put these systems into motion, refine your outreach, and secure your